Since I discovered this recipe, I only make chicken like this at least 3 times a week. I have a chicken breast here. I'm going to split it in half. And I'm going to use another half of one. Place plastic wrap over the chicken breast fillets and beat them with a meat pounder to make them softer. Turn on the other side and repeat the same process. Once this is done, season with salt to taste, black pepper to taste, and turn over and season on the other side too. Set the chicken breast fillets aside. And now break 2 eggs into a bowl. Beat the eggs until they are smooth and set aside. Now in a bowl, add 60 grams of breadcrumbs, 60 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, a teaspoon of paprika, and mix well. And look what a beautiful color it turns out, not to mention the taste. Next, we'll coat the chicken breast fillets in the beaten eggs. After that, we'll bread them in breadcrumbs with Parmesan and the seasoning. Place the breaded chicken breast fillets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Place them next to each other. Then put them in the oven to bake for 20 minutes. After baking, add tomato sauce. Also add grated mozzarella cheese and the amount to taste. And this recipe is amazing. How delicious! It was a huge hit here at home, and I'm sure it will be at home too. Add some chopped chives. Then put it back in the oven to bake for another 20 minutes. And look how delicious it is. This chicken is perfect. An incredible flavor. Now all you have to do is serve it up. What grade does this recipe deserve? So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye bye.